Rule number 14 is under section B, no, of Colregs. So for vessels that are inside of one another, so meaning they can see each other. If they cannot see each other, like for example, they are in an area of restricted visibility, it's not anymore covered now by rule number 14. So head-on situation is applicable only at the open seas. So in paragraph A of this rule, we have when two power-driven vessels are meeting on reciprocal or nearly reciprocal courses, so as to involve race of collision, each shall alter her course to starboard so that each shall pass on the port side of the other. Now take note that risk of collision should be involved. Otherwise, you continue your course in speed, there's no problem because there is no risk of collision. Because some officers do this kind of mistake, no? Like that there is no risk of collision and still they are asking for the intention. But in some circumstances, it will be green to green. It depends on the agreement of the vessels. But according to this rule, you should pass port to port. Stated in paragraph B, such a situation shall be deemed to exist when a vessel sees the other ahead or nearly ahead, and by night you could see the masthead light of the other vessel in line. No, not necessarily in line, nearly in line. No, it means that if you could see both of the side lights, that's the more accurate one. Because if you are going to estimate nearly from inline, that's quite confusing. But if you can see both of the side lights, then you should assume that that is a head-on situation. Okay, so this is the case, then this is the perfect one. If you are facing this one, and it means that you should alter your course to starboard so as to make port to port. Okay. So there are some circumstances, like for example, practical for you to alter your course to starboard because you are already at the starboard side of the vessel and could pass safely. Provided that you could pass safely, then you can deviate from the rule and pass starboard to starboard. Then when a vessel is in doubt as to whether such situation exists, she shall assume that it does exist. So if this is the case, you are seeing the vessels both side lights, so that is the at night, no? That is considered as head-on situation. So you should alter your course to starboard if you are the passenger vessel and meet the other vessel on the port side. We have this example. So on the radar at night, no? So this is the example. So this one is your vessel, this one is your vessel, and this one is the meeting vessel. Now the range is 12 nautical miles, so it's quite far. And your CPA is 0, so it means there is a risk of collision. So you should alter your course to starboard.